Hey everyone, I'm at TradeX and I just finished a wonderful 4 days doing the seminars, telling everybody about how cool RVing is. I got some great feedback from people. We met a bunch of new people. I met fans that already knew me and came just for that. We even had a couple come up from Bellingham who just for the show because they saw my videos, and I don't think they're new to the channel. So I want to welcome everyone who might be new to the channel and is watching this video. Please comment below if you came onto this channel because of this show here. I really appreciate you coming down, and I'm going to really look forward to trying to be here in February for the next one. So here's a couple quick clips from the show I did.
Has nearly every tip that I mentioned today on a RV aficionado, I guess you say. That's really my passion for doing this. Although I set up my office there, I do work from the road. Here's what it means. It means I can run my air conditioner off batteries without recharging or using a generator. Now, I mentioned this OptiSolex, when they saw that I was peeking here, they asked me to give one away. We're giving it away on Sunday. So this thing's really cool.
I'm not going to show the whole show here because, well, you got to pay to come to one of my shows for that. But I will be doing more events where you can come and see me talk. I'm trying to line up some more gigs. And if you're interested in having me come talk and explain how the whole RV lifestyle can benefit the folks who are attending your event, let me know. I love explaining the joy of RVing to people, and I had a lot of people there who were new to the idea, and I could tell they left my talk inspired to go find an RV, and that's awesome. Now, when OptiSolex saw that I was going to be giving a talk here, they actually reached out to me and said, why don't you give away one of our OptiSolex Solar Bags at the event? So we went ahead and did that. We had a lot of respondents. And I was pleased to see that the winner was Lily and her family, who are just entering into the world of RVing. So this is a great start. We delivered it out to their house. All right, well, here you go, Lee. This is from OptiSolex, from RVingWithJoe, and from MTD Promotions, who actually put the show on. So excellent. Here you go.
Thank you. Yay. Thank you very much.
That's awesome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy it, and yeah, it's really powerful. So you'll be able to charge that thing up.
I need to do the Chinese thing.
Yes. That is great.
I'd like to thank OptiSolex and MTD Promotions for helping me put this giveaway together. And if you're interested in it, because you didn't win or you weren't here to enter, head over to the link in the description. I'll put a little QR code right here, and you can click on that link and actually get a discounted solar panel, and I highly recommend it. I endorse it because I use it all the time. I was gonna film inside, but there's music, and when you're a YouTuber, you can't record when there's music going on. So I just wanted to say thank you to MTD Promotions. They were the ones who brought me in here. There were some great dealerships here. Fraserway really rules the roost here. They're an amazing dealership. They're actually the largest dealership, and I believe one of the largest RV companies in Canada, and they're located right here in Abbotsford. They obviously have a big presence here. I got to meet the owner even. That was really cool. And I got to walk around and meet some vendors. I met this really great company called Steelback. It's a brand new company. I decided to go talk to them and find out a little bit more about the product. They're a brand new company. They just started this year, and Enderby, BC is where they're at. Enderby is a small town over in what they call the Okanagan region. You know, I don't know, 4 hours from here. And I talked to her for a little bit. So why don't we take a moment, take a look at their trailers and see what she has to say.
So I'm fairly new to the market.
Gotcha.
It's a woman-owned company.
Great to hear.
Yes, and I just decided, I've been building for 20 years. I'm a residential builder as well.
Okay.
And so I decided I wanted to do something different and on a small scale, like building smaller. Because I find that everyone has all these beautiful trailers, but they're like 17 and up. And I think that there's a market for the smaller trailer.
Absolutely there is. Absolutely there is.
Yeah, so
now you went with different types of models here. You've
Yes.
got like a more of a fiberglass shell style,
Yeah.
and then you've got the more traditional kind of I don't know what kind of walls are you using.
this is a fiberglass wall.
Yeah.
They call it Vilon. is a technical name for it, but it is a fiberglass wall, and it is a traditional build.
Yeah, so I really am pleased when I see new entrants into the market, when I see new companies coming in trying to build RVs, especially small little companies like that. We need more and more of those. That's the kind of competition that really drives innovation and good prices for the consumer. So I've got some new relationships built here. You'll probably see some new material coming up in the coming months based on some of the folks I met here while I was at the show. Can't talk about it yet, but we got some meetings lined up real soon. One of the cool things too is I brought my RV because it's nice to have a dressing room when you're doing a seminar and a talk. So before I go on to do my seminar, I can come here, change my clothes, I have the air conditioning on because, we're only here for a few hours. I'm able to run the air conditioner without even turning on the generator. And I have this beautiful couch. I can watch a little TV to decompress as I relax and wait for my time slot. And afterwards, I can come back here, have a little snack, use the bathroom if I need to. It's a freaking dressing room, just like the stars get at the movie sets. So consider that just another use case for your trailer. It's like having your own personal apartment wherever you go. So yeah, another good use for your RV. One more time, thanks to MTD Promotions, thanks to OptiSolex, thanks to Fraserway, thanks to Steelback, thanks to Galactic Entertainment. Go to galactic.ca if you need any AV work done. She was amazing. Tanya was a pro. I was well taken care of on that stage by that company. And everyone else, have a great day and get busy living. Thanks, everyone. Hey, everybody, don't forget to subscribe. Do your thing, man.
There we go. It's for people that have dogs, cats, kids, grandkids, husbands, whoever drags the dirt and mud in your house. Everybody wipes their feet off when they come in, but then they walk on your floors, and sure enough, that doesn't happen anyway. With the Miracle Mat, it's 60% cotton, 40% microfiber. You don't even have to wipe your feet as long as they step on it a couple times, nothing comes out on this end. Everyone's got a front and back door mat. You may as well have one that stops the dirt from coming in. Isn't that the whole idea? Great for pets, great into RVs, campers, boats, and houses. Thank you.
Dude, that was 30 seconds perfect.
Yeah.